Okay.
That's definitely my grandpa's house.
I'm about to go check him
Probably
out.
in there right now.
So granddad.
Hey,
Granddad.
Unc.
Anyone home?
I think grandpa in there waiting for you, bro.
Granddad in here?
Your granddad, he to the right.
He must get a frying pan. Oh shoot. Why he's just walking around?
It's Unc, he off the czar.
What? Are you for real? We can't live
Well,
without them. I knew I should've
whatever
come here.
happens,
I'm only 18.
happens.
What? He speaks Spanish?
Yo.
What Leon said, bus call up Palisade.
They so yeah, we ate him.
Wow!
Oh heck no, he just parried that jump with a combat knife. Gosh dang!
He had to kill Unc like that. He said, Unc, how was you playing? Get up.
Dang, bro. That's why you don't do za. Stay away from the za.
I read you. What's your situation?
Unc really did him up for real. Where the enemies at, bro?
Oh, you about to see him?
Oh shoot. Oh shoot! Why did I say that?
What was that?
What was that?
It's Unc, ain't it?
It is Unc.
Whoa!
Doof.
Gosh! Oh shoot! Press the button.
R2.
My dumb freak.
Bro, drop the whole setup. Sound like bro grabbed you for real. What you doing?
Oh! Can I sneak? Excuse me.
Did you drop your whole setup, bro?
I dropped him.
Sound like bro tackled you for real.
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are.
Oh heck no. Dang, cuz.
That scared me.
Talk later.
Who is this? They better not make me fight all these dudes. Leon a dog. This game mad weird so far, bro.
Them ops right behind that truck, huh?
They don't want nothing with me, that's for sure.
How you gonna kick that box and not pick it up? There you go.
Pesetas.
Besotes. Knocked out. Wow.
Dang.
Oh man.
Dang,
I had
cut.
a Desert Eagle for a second.
They disintegrate?
Okay, so.
This must be the Za village, bro. No, mama's way. I forgot to say chicken is Spanish.
Pollo.
Pollo.
No rostizado.
It's about to get real for real. Can I assassinate folk?
I have no idea.
Dang.
Oh, you can. Wow.
That's cool. That's cool. I like that. So, what am I supposed to do here? What if I just straight up just like, hey,
Here we go.
can I jump this fence? What's up, y'all? What's good, y'all?
Here we go.
She died! I didn't even hit her! Woo! Oh, shoot!
You can imagine like the bushes.
Perfect.
Gosh dang! Alright, y'all. Whoa!
Something else. Doof. 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 Oh, you on the side?
You saw that junk? What's good, y'all? Somebody's right next to me. I'm a dog, bro. Stop playing. I just cornered my freaking self. Oh, no, dude, I'm good. I'm good. Come
At
on.
the infamous V-Lone stance.
Come on. He caught me lagging right there.
He got a mean hit on you. It sound like For Honor when he hit you.
Watch this. Freaking freak! What the freak?
What is it, a dog?
You saw the chicken just attack me?
That was a chicken?
Yes!
Turn me to a superhero.
What the freak?
Need to heal up, bro.
Heck yeah.
Oh, my
Oh,
goodness,
freak.
fruit.
Where he at?
He just came through that door where you just came from.
For real?
No, he got the Laffy Taffy head.
I'm saying. Jump!
Oh my goodness.
Come on, freak. What? Grandma! Hold on, bro. I gotta heal myself, bro.
He said, what? Grandma.
Hey,
You
that'll
already
do.
used the heal spray?
Yes, I used it. I'm hot garbage.
Oh, he coming up there. Woo!
Wow! Woo! Run, Leon! I don't know how I got out of that. All right, that's good. That's
I'll
good.
save you. Oh, yo.
Freak.
Ain't there a
Hold on,
shotgun
bro.
somewhere, bro?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Cause I'm tired of you. You about to oh, yeah. Hey, the Call of Duty headshot.
Dang! I just gotta survive, right?
I don't know. Yeah, it seems like I played this game before. I don't know. Go behind you. What's behind you? That way.
Wow!
Look, right now, right
Excuse
in the
me, excuse
crib,
me.
bro. What you expect? Jump
Oh,
out the window, jump out the
freak.
window, jump out the window, jump out the window. I see myself out.
Thank you, my brother. Where's the chainsaw guy at?
Straight ahead, pause it. Oh, there he go.
Where? Oh, it sure is, huh?
You got yourself cornered in the same spot where you gotta.
Woo! 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 Come on.
Oh,
He said my brother. For real? Yo, what's up? It's KauBoiSpiegel, and today.
I thought you gonna meet yourself. My
Yeah! No, I ain't gonna be myself. That's too much work.